Hello and welcome to my DIY do-it-yourself beautiful gift basket idea. To create this gift basket, these items can be purchased from a local craft store. You will need a fancy box or a basket, let's begin assembling the gift basket. Tissue paper, which adds volume inside the box to display the gift items. Colored tissue paper, which adds volume inside the box to display the gift items. All the gift items which fill the fancy basket can be purchased from any store. A jumbo size clear cellophane gift bag, and some gift wrapping ribbon. I do hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my face painting and body painting videos and my other videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.